What's up, guys? So I really want to, I don't know, this movie, To Kill a Monkey. Have you seen the movie? I really want to talk about this movie, but see, the mixed emotion, the level of mixed emotion, shit. Ah, I cannot even explain this movie. I cannot explain this movie. Oh, boss! Oh, boss is the boss. Oh, boss is the boss. Listen, Nigerians have been shooting crazy movies. They have been shooting movies, crazy movies, trust me. But this movie, oh fuck. Ah. But this movie, see, the plot twists of this movie. But I literally cried when Obos got killed. See that part of the movie. Fuck. Ah. That part of the movie. I cried. I cried. Listen, after watching this movie, I now have trust issues. Trust me. I'm not going to trust anybody. Don't call me brotherly. I am not your brother. Fucking betrayer. Our boss was the one that took Efe out of poverty. Efe had a brain, but Efe did not have the capacity. Our boss took him out of poverty. Oh, fuck. And I understand if he was trying to protect his family. At the expense of a boss. Oh my God. Fuck, you have to watch this movie. Fuck, I have trust issues. I don't trust anybody. I don't trust any fucking body. Don't call me brotherly. If you call me brotherly, we are going to have problems. I don't fucking trust anybody anymore. Fuck! Kemi Adetiba, thank you. Oh shit. Kemi Adetiba, thank you. Thank you for this movie. Thank you. Fuck. I don't even know how to react to this movie. Fuck. I have goosebumps. There are goosebumps in my body. Goosebumps. Goosebumps from this movie. I swear. Goosebumps.